I think L'Oreal has an amazing team that works in Cannes, and I think works with a lot of their ambassadors from all around the world. So you have a great team already in place with your hair, with your makeup experts, with stylists as well. So that whole team is in place, and I think they've always done an amazing job. So I'm happy to learn from them and to see new things, experience new trends. You know, L'Oreal has always been a very iconic beauty brand, firstly and foremost. Always setting new trends, that's one thing. Secondly is, I've often in the past, as you know, they have many global beauty ambassadors. I've often admired many of their women. So for me, it was also getting a chance to join the team and be among women who I personally admire.
There's fashion and then there's style. Fashion is about trends and it's about what's, now in vogue. But style is something which is timeless and classic. And yes, you're right, fashion keeps changing, but inherent style always remains. And so it's just about, anything that represents your style, and you kind of have to adapt fashion of any era to your style.
I think nobody better can answer that question than Sonam. I think she said the correct answer. I do believe that style is a little more personal, and fashion is something which can be dictated by, fashion editors, fashion magazines. And I think if you are very comfortable in that world and confident, then you should definitely experiment and try new things, and if you have good direction as well. And if not, I think if you're not a person who likes to experiment too much with fashion, I think that's okay also. As long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think fashion should not ever overpower you. You should always dress for yourself first and then for other people. This is something I think was really special, the thought of what has been done today. Basically, I think Cannes is something which always seems very out of reach probably for most people, and someone like L'Oreal today has given an opportunity for girls from all over the country to just experience and feel like for a day what it's like to walk a red carpet. Obviously, this is not, a movie premiere, but just the chance to be able to see what it's like, I think is something which is really special, and the girls seemed really happy, and it was very nice for us, I think, to be able to meet them and interact with them as well.
Honestly, मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि जब आप सेलिब्रिटी होते हैं तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आप अपने आप को एक तरह रिप्रेजेंट करें. तो अगर हम पब्लिक में जाएं तो यू हैव टू बी वेल टू पुट टुगेदर. पर पर्सनल लाइफ में या घर पे या अगर कोई फिल्म की रिक्वायरमेंट है और मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है तो हम नहीं पहनते हैं. या एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं और पता नहीं कैसे फोटोग्राफर्स पहुँच जाते हैं वहाँ, तो मेरे को पता है कैसे पहुँच जाते हैं, पर स्टिल तो तब मेकअप नहीं होता और फिर वो एक बड़ी सर्कल आती है अंडर आइज के, वो सब होता है कभी कभार, पर ऑनेस्टली इट डिपेंड्स.
I think the main difference between me and Sonam is when Sonam is in front of the camera or in an event or in her own life, personal life, if you just see her at a restaurant, she always looks like she's just stepped off a red carpet, or she could just go onto a red carpet. If you see me at an event like this, I may look like I belong there, and if you see me in my own life, I look like I'm going to bed. So basically one has style consistently and consecutively, and some of us, don't. It's not been delayed. The release of Jaga Jasoos will be this year end. This is the first time the release date has been announced, so that's not been delayed. But Phantom, which was my movie with Kabir Khan, that was delayed by 2 months. So now that releases in August.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. सूरज जी और सलमान के साथ शूटिंग करके मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. अभी बहुत कम शूटिंग बाकी है. अगस्त में आई थिंक करीब 2 हफ्ते मुझे शूटिंग करना है, गाने बचे हैं बस, पर बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और होपफुली लोगों को भी ये फ़िल्म पसंद आएगी। जैसे आप सब जानते हैं नवंबर में ये फ़िल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है। मेरी यही कामना है कि मेरी जो फ़िल्म है वो एक फेस्टिवल वर्दी फ़िल्म हो। मुझे पता नहीं ये कैन में जाएगी या वेनिस में जाएगी या सिर्फ बॉम्बे फ़िल्म फेस्टिवल में जाएगी, पर मेरी यही कामना है और हम देखते हैं क्या होता है उसके साथ।
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.